Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use paper roll ball transition effect. So you can find the new transition effect, which is a paper ball. You can find in trending paper ball, but this is pro effect. You have to design a pro first to be able to use this effect. So first you can select your videos or photos you like to edit, and you are just going to merge it. So after done, we're just going to go to and go to transition and select the purple on trending. So this is perfect. You have to change purpose to be able to see. You can set the duration and apply to the clip and see for the final result. So I'm just going to select effect and select original +2. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.